There we go. It runs good. So I changed some bearings on it. I've got about 50 pounds of boiler pressure right now. I'm not too good with one of these cameras, but do the best I can. I'm running it without the cylinder oilers on it, which are located right there, but I can run it a little bit. I've got some new brass ones ordered. These were plugged up and aluminum, all corroded, but it's doing pretty good. We'll see what our boiler pressure is on right now. I can get over there without being too jerky with the camera or getting scalded. Yeah, about 50 pounds. Got it running on propane. You did have it on natural gas. I soldered the jet for the gas closed, re-drilled it out smaller, got it running on propane. But I think I saw it run when I was about 10. I don't know if any of y'all did, but it's been sitting forever, but still looks like it's doing all right. I'll speed it up a little bit. Thanks for watching.